It was a cold day in 2013 when I walked into that dusty industrial shop. From the outside, it looked sketchy. On the inside, it was organized chaos. Office furniture was arranged everywhere in unusable positions. The small windows and poor overhead lighting conjured up illicit activities. I knew I shouldn't be there, but I had an itch to scratch. I needed what they were supplying. A rough-looking character led me into the back room. With trepidation, I furtively glanced at the options. Their cold, hard faces stared back at me. And then I found her, filthy and enticing. I put my hand out to touch that second-hand executive desk. The scratch and dent reseller told me the face had a dent that was never that obvious. I took it for $150, and the $50 fee for delivery was totally worth it. That night, it was delivered to my office, where I cleaned it up and put it in place. I had a solid, unshakable foundation from which I could build my empire. And now I'm ready to share my secret. I'll tell you how you can start or add to your empire with key pieces at an affordable price. Business is dynamic, and it's exactly those dynamics that result in robust office furniture left homeless. Low-paid facilities employees drop or damage items. Offices get renovated. Sometimes the boss just wants an upgrade. Businesses overproduce. Other times, businesses just go out of business. These dynamics lead to an open secret in the furniture world. Good office furniture retains its quality regardless of business dynamics. Resellers in many locations take the no longer needed pieces and find a new home. They make a living, and you get solid furniture at a fraction of retail prices. I'll come back to money in a minute. My desk had all the features of a place where work gets done. I had a large, shallow drawer for writing instruments, snacks, or other thin items. For larger snacks or heftier tools, the drawers on the right slid open smoothly. One included a file feature. Stately and solid, that desk never shook, no matter what happened on top of or beneath it. I could write love letters to my minions without fear of bumps or wobbles. And then I fell for the standing desk craze.
I was reading that sitting is like the new smoking.
So I sold my mahogany veneer beauty for the same price I paid. I got a free desk for 3 years because such items hold real value. So if you need some office furniture, go find a reseller of used office furniture. You might find a gem to treasure, especially now. And should your empire grow, you'll always be able to find a new home for that executive desk.